Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to schedule emails to be sent at specific times in Gmail. So to begin, compose your email as you normally would. So for example, let's compose an email and then you have to input where you want to send your email and then craft your message. And for example, let's input um, sample email. And then let's add recipients. So now that everything is ready, like the usual, uh, instead of hitting that send button, click on the small drop down arrow next to it. And then click schedule send. And then you will choose a date here, or you can pick a date and time of yourself. So once you've chosen your send time, click schedule send. For example, I will choose this one. So we will need to view message, and here it is. It's already scheduled. And that's it. You now know how to schedule emails to be sent at specific times in Gmail. This feature is a game changer for keeping your communication organized and timely. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to schedule emails in Gmail. See you on my next video.